so hello, today we are going to play Subway Surfers. Okay, and those who don't know, Subway Surfers is like Temple Run, but you don't run away from monkeys, you run away from police. Okay, and I'm blurring the edge, I don't want you to see it. Okay, but now let's wait and let's go. Sorry, my internet isn't as good, but it is not that bad all the time, and I played this myself, but I have removed the app and the stupid animation. No animations, this tutorial. I hate tutorials, especially when I am playing this. And this video isn't very long because I don't have much time. Okay, and error. Thank you. But I'm not doing. I know what to do. I started with that I'm the rock. Dwayne Johnson. And I think that almost everyone knows who Dwayne Johnson is. If you don't see, I am almost at 50 subscribers, and that is great. If I have viewers who don't subscribe but watch, can you please subscribe, because we are almost at 50 subscribers and we can do a live stream. And it's very good, but I don't know which country's time do I say it. It's my home country time, or I don't know, but I just didn't do a live stream and hope that you find. No! That was a funny moment. That's so funny. Yeah. I'm not telling where I live. I just tell that I am from Finland. Okay? And I don't know if I do face reveal. Not yet. Oh no, that hurt. Okay, but then, yeah. Can you please subscribe? I use a lot of time to edit these videos. Because I want to make no. But bye bye. Bye.